Welcome. In front of me is a CMF Phone 1, and today I will show you how we can boot this device into Fastboot Mode. To get started, hold your power button and volume up at the same time, and then from the boot options, select Power Off. When the device turns off, you want to now hold power button and volume up again, and in a moment you will see the boot mode show up. There we go. Once you see this mode, using only volume up to navigate through the options, select the middle option, which right now it's selected for me, but I'm gonna go over this as it's not. So volume up, and you can see the arrow just keeps going down, so it jumps all the way to the top, and again, it's selected now. Once the Fastboot mode is selected, press volume down. And I think this specific one doesn't really have any kind of weird looking menu, so it's already in Fastboot mode. The reason I'm pointing that out is because if you were to go into the Fastboot mode through recovery mode, it would be a little bit different with options similar looking to like the recovery mode itself. Just to kind of point that out for people that are interested in the second one, though I'm not going to show it, if you were to select recovery mode, you would be first presented with the little Android logo. To get past that, you would hold power button, and while holding it, press volume up. And in recovery mode, you can then use both volume buttons to navigate up and down, and power button would be used to confirm whatever is selected. From there, you can choose the Fastboot mode as well, and it will take you to different looking Fastboot mode, in which you can navigate through the options there, as there will be options there, the same way you did in the recovery mode, which would be the volume buttons up and down, and power button confirm. So anyway, in this one specifically, to leave this one, unlike the one through the access through recovery mode, which is much easier as you just select reboot system now, here, or reboot, whatever it was there to leave the first option. And here we need to hold, I believe, power button or power button and volume down until the phone reboots. Let's see. So I'm right now holding only power button. Let's see if this turns it off. Yep, it does. So once it turns off, it should, there we go, boot back up on its own. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.